Jet Provost. At the same time that they were building that piston engine trainer, they were looking to the future and looking for a jet-powered aircraft. Engine Provost's main undercarriage legs. So they took more streamlined cockpits later on, post this particular model that you see here. Actually served with over 11 military air arms. Utilised by the RAF or the Central Flying School at University, RAF Cranwell, and numerous